What's going on? What's happening? I can't. All these Kardashian babies now. My God, my nerves. Are you ready to get buff and beautiful? Hi guys, I'm Anita Buffem, and welcome to Buff and Beautiful. Thanks for returning if you're a returning viewer. And if you're new, how you doing, honey? So on today's video, I have a Kylie Cosmetics extravaganza featuring my favorite color, Posie K.
Anybody you heard, step on toe, nobody for say a word. Make cat walk, big money cash you a earn. Murder, tell you not even need a bird.
I'm gonna have to clip my hair back a little bit for this. All right, how are you guys? Let's get into this Kylie extravaganza. So I love when you guys send me products, not only because I love a gift, but also because I like to know what you guys want me to review and customize the channel just to your liking. So I was sent a bunch of Kylie lipsticks, one of the highlighters, and a couple of the lip liners. Now, I've never used Kylie before, so this will be a little bit of first impressions. We'll do some swatch, and I'll let you know my thoughts. So let's start with the Coco Collection that I believe Kylie did for her sister Chloe, because I think they call her Coco or something like that. I don't know. So there's a really pretty nude in this. There is a gloss, a red. Let's start with this red. This is called Gorge. Now I'm not gonna put them all on my lips, but I'm gonna show you. So this is red, and I'll swatch this here. This is like a pretty cranberry color, like a deep, I wouldn't say Bordeaux. Would you call that Bordeaux? So she would call it Bordeaux. I'm saying deep cranberry. Is that the same thing? I don't know. Yeah. So we're gonna call it, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so Bordeaux cranberry, what do I know? It smells delicious.
Well, you don't know anything, but I do.
No, I don't know anything, but she does. These smell really good. Oh, don't tip it upside down because it will run out of the package. And let's see how that looks when it dries down. I really like how it smells. It's like sweet, like candy. So that was Gorge. Then we have, this is like candy apple red is what it looks like to me. Smells the same. Give it a nice, oh yeah, this is pretty. Red, this is like a candy red, I would say. So we both concur that is like a candy apple red. Let's see what happens when it dries down. Now, we're still waiting for this other one to dry down, so they do take a hot minute. And I always recommend with liquid lips, especially with the color. I tried a few of these colors yesterday just around the house, applied, let them sit for a couple hours, see how they wore. They wore really well. The pigment was really great, but I always find it better to apply liquid lips with a brush. So like apply the product onto the back of your hand or a palette and then brush the product on, and you'll get more staying power, and it will feel weightless and will not run. You'll be happy if you apply it with a brush, which I did with these. Next up, we have Clothes. This is called Clothes, like spelled like Chloe, but clothes. Okay, and this is like a nude. Yeah, this is like a deep nude. Ooh, that I might have to put on my face right now. That's pretty. So that's Clothes. And then last in this collection is Damn Gina, which is a gloss. It's like a nude gloss. Very pretty. This color, gloss, and Clothes would go great together. So these are the 4 colors from the Coco Collection. We also have these 3 colors. We'll start here with Boy Bye. And this is one of my favorite type of nudes. It's kind of, I'm gonna run out of room on that hand. Let's see. It's like a vintagey, dusty rose. A little deeper than like a dusty rose. So pretty. And these smell just like the Coco Collection. And next up we have Posie K. This color is also, this one's very similar to Boy Bye, but a little more, it's very similar, but a little more something. Pinky. These two together would create a really nice ombre lip. And finally we have the Kylie Jenner gloss in the color Cupid. Now this is like a gold, a nudie gold, perfect for the beach. Let's see. Yeah, this is very pretty. I really like all of these colors. Thank you. This is real pretty. You chose the right one. Thank you so much, Kate, who sent these over to me, along with some cupcakes. The last thing I needed was a box of cupcakes and a whole bunch of Kylie Jenner Cosmetics. My God. If you want a red, let me tell you, this red is gorgeous. This is called Mary Jo K. I'm going to put this next to the other red so you can see how it compares. This is like true fire engine, Nikki Finn, who's that girl? You better ring the alarm, red. This is beautiful. Now I do want to say that this red color was beautiful on, faded a little bit, but still the color was consistent. So as it faded away, it was consistent. The color was consistent, but it also ran a little bit. So that I didn't find in any of the other colors that I tried, except for this one. I did use the liners that coincided with the Mary Jo red color and the Posie K. The Posie K liner, beautiful, gorgeous. It matches the Posie K color perfectly. It's creamy, easy to blend out with a brush. I like to put my liner on kind of on the inside of my lip line and then push it out with my brush. And this did that very, very well. But even with the red liner, and I'll swatch these liners for you, but even with the red liner, the red liquid lips ran, and that was disappointing. Not right away, but after a little bit of time it ran. And I'll do the Posie K for you as well. So you can see that next to Posie K. Now this liner would go great with any red lipstick. It's really pretty. So here are all the colors. You can kind of see how they've dried down. And obviously the glosses are going to stay glossy. I really like these colors. I think you could do a lot pairing them up, some of them together to create a really nice ombre lip. The Posie K and the Boy Bye would look great together. That close and either the glosses would look great together. Those two reds. So these are really, really nice. The colors are really nice. The pigment's great. Now I should say that, and I don't know why I didn't say it earlier, but the red color that ran, we tried again with just, like we filled in the lip line with the liner to see how that did. Applied it with a brush, still ran a little bit better than without the liner all filling in the lips. Then we tried again with a lip primer. So the lip primer seemed to eliminate any of the running. So if you want to try this Mary Jo K red, I recommend a liner, and I recommend definitely applying it with a brush, not the applicator that it comes with. You'll be so much happier with the staying power and how it looks done that way. Now I also have here one of the highlighters in the color Santorini. Now I'm going to get real here. Look how gorgeous. Beautiful. I'm going to swatch this here for you. So gorge. It's a beautiful highlight. It's a little sparkly. You can build it, which I like. So if you want just something subtle, you can just apply it, blend it out. It blends out very nicely. And then you can kind of apply a little bit more if you want a little more pop. I will say though that there are some other highlighters that I think look more natural on the skin. Now, obviously, if you want to glow to the gods, it's not really about looking natural. But for, you know, every day you just want a nice little glow, this does do the job. But I would say check out one of the Huda Beauty 3D highlighting palettes, because they each come with they come with 4 colors, and there's one color in each that is just such a beautiful natural color, and you can build upon that with the other colors if you want to highlight yourself. For my gods, this is very pretty. I really like this. I would say it's better than a lot of highlighters I've seen, but I was doing some highlighting testing yesterday, and Huda Beauty was one of the highlighters I tested along with this, and the Huda just melts so beautifully into the skin and looks so natural if you want it to look natural, but yet you can still pump it up to be super natural if you want. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Again, I really loved all of these products. I'm actually kind of surprised from all that I've heard about the Kylie Cosmetics line. I'm surprised how much I do like these products. So yes, Kylie, yes, girl, you have that baby. You release another line of products inspired by that baby, and you give it to me. All right, honey? I'm ready for more. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I'm Anita Buffem. Make sure you're subscribed. Click the thumbs up. Find me on all social media, Anita Buffem. That's Buffem. And I love you. What products are you using? Do you have a product you want me to review? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think of Kylie Cosmetics? I want to know. Tell me in the comments below. Make sure to lead with love and positivity, and you will be Buffem beautiful.
I am the real thing, so you better move over. Unleash me a break fire. I am supernova. Here come the full force. Bad girl take over. I am the mighty soldier. I am the mighty soldier.